Which constitutional amendment act has added the words socialist and secular to the preamble? 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Under which article of the Indian Constitution was the 29th state Telangana came into existence? Article 3. What is the maximum strength of the Legislative Council of a state? 1/3 of total members of Legislative Assembly. Who has the authority to decide the salaries of the state ministers? Legislative Assembly of the state. Which part of the Constitution contains the provision relating to the safeguarding of public property? Fundamental duties. The executive power of the Union shall be exercised by whom? President. Persons having special knowledge or practical experience in which fields are nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha. Literature, art, science, social service. Special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court is not applicable to the orders passed by the court or tribunal relating to armed forces. Which article states that voluntary acquisition of citizenship of any other country leads to termination of Indian citizenship? Article 9. How many minimum number of times should the Parliament meet in a year? Twice. Which majority is required in the Parliament to remove the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Special majority as per Article 368. Who is not eligible for election to the Public Accounts Committee? Minister. Which schedule contains the provisions regarding disqualification due to defection? 10th schedule. How many times can the bill reserved for the President be sent for reconsideration to the state legislature? Any number of times. According to the Directive Principle Article 50, judiciary should be separated from executive.